Hello guys, welcome. In today's video we are going to solve the first exercise of chapter 4. So what the exercise say? In this exercise we have to take two numbers from the user and then we have to make a function which returns the greater number between two numbers that user entered. So let's get it started. Suppose num1 is the first number. Num1 equals to integer, we have to take the number, that is why we have to use integer function. Input, enter a number. Alright. Now, and then we have to, the second number is num2, and then the same line we have to write here. Alright. So these are the two numbers we take from the user. And then we have to make a function according to the exercise. So we can make function by using def statement we have discussed in previous videos, and so it is the greater number. So the greater is the name of the function, suppose, and the two numbers it takes as an argument is suppose 1 and a and b. Alright, these are the two arguments, and then we have to check that either a is greater and or b is greater. So I can use if condition here, that a is greater than b. If this condition is satisfied, then we can return here print f. I am using a string formatting to print the value. A is greater than b. Alright, so if a is greater than b, then it is printed that a is greater than b. This value will return. So what if this condition does not satisfy? Then we can use else statement, and under else statement we use the same return statement, and then we print. Of course, if a is not greater than b, then b must be greater than a. Then we can print b is greater, Alright, now this function is completed. So we have to call the function now. So we can directly call the function by writing its name, and then num1 comma num2 are the arguments of the function. So wait a second, there's no get here. Now if I run this program, you can see it is asking numbers. Suppose I write 4, enter 5. These are 4 and 5 are the two numbers, and press enter. You can see 5 is greater than, sorry, I did a mistake. Then I have to write here a instead of b. A must appear here. So if I again run this program and enter the same value 4, enter 5, and press enter, you can see here 5 is greater than 4. If I again run, and suppose I enter the same value 1 and 1. So you can see it is the default that 1 is greater than 1 because these two numbers are equal, and 7 and 2. You can see 7 is greater than 2. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you very much for watching.